Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Steve Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is intended to be done with a partner, so you'd have to be able to do it when you have that opportunity. And the way that I invite you to do this is to ask a child, a kid, to teach you Tàijíquán. And I find that a younger kid, particularly a younger kid, will not interrupt that particular thought process with the idea, wait, I don't know it, I can't teach it. They will just say yes, right? And your idea here is to follow what they're doing, but maintain your own Tàijíquán principles, which they probably don't have or understand, but they might have them in some way, in a naturalistic Zidong kind of way. So something for you to consider is say, hey, I'd love for you to show me some Tàijíquán. I'd love for you to show me a Tàijíquán exercise. I'd love for you to show me the next Tàijíquán move after this place. I'd love for you to show me a Tàijíquán warm-up or a Tàijíquán drill, whatever. And then you're inviting yourself to follow somebody that you know doesn't know Tàijíquán, but that doesn't mean they don't know Tàijíquán. And you can maintain your principles while you do whatever weird thing they're having you do, perhaps weird, and you maintain your principles while you follow and engage with them. I find it a really delightful practice, so enjoy that. And this art doesn't continue without more kids coming into it, so maybe you could do your part and share this, as a volunteer at the local school or something along those lines. Thank you. Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.